This is a how-to video for project leads on the Traineeship Staff Support Programme website or for the Apprenticeship Staff Support Programme website. And this video is going to show you how to post up a blog article. So the first thing we need to do as project leads is we will need to sign in using our username and then password. Once you're logged in, the pane you want to go to first is this one on the left hand side, and it's got this option here to create content. So you want to click create content, and then it comes up with these options here, and the one you want to click is blog entry. And so this page is quite similar to if you were creating a news item, and the first thing you'll want to do is to put in a title. And so just for example, we might put in TSSP project update April. And then as we scroll down, you have the body of the blog article. And again, this is where you can write up all your content. But it also has this pane here, which allows you to format your wording. And so we'll just put in some wording here, just as an example. And what you might like to do, just to help make sure that people are visiting your project page, is to add in a hyperlink to your project page. And so we've got some content here, and here I've put come and visit our project page here to find out more and to view an early draft of the resources. And so here we might, for instance, just highlight the word here and click this button here, which will allow you to put in the URL link to your project page. So it might be that it's www.traineeshipstaffsupport.co.uk /BCTG, for instance. And so you would click insert, and then you would find that this word here is hyperlinked to your page, and that means people can go and visit your page to find out more. So once you're happy with the wording there, and once you're happy with the font size, the font style, and so on, then the two other settings you might want to have a look at is the URL path settings here. Now, the web page will automatically generate an automatic URL, which will be based on the title. So the title here is quite short, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. But you might find if you have a very long title that you'll end up having a very, very long URL all the way up here that's quite hard to remember. So you may want to just unclick here and type in a shorter one. But for now, because the project title is short, we'll just go with the generated automatic URL. And the next thing you might want to look at is file attachments. So it might be that you've been working on an early draft of a resource and you want to share that with people early on to maybe get some feedback. And so you would click choose file, and here you can select your document, press open, and it would then display the name of the file just there, and you'll need to click attach, and it will attach it to that page. And so once you're happy with everything, you can click preview just to check that everything's okay. And so we can see it's displaying nicely there. That's how we want it. And so we can scroll down and then click save. Now it's told us there that it's now posted up the blog article. And so if we go back to the home page and click blog, we can see that it's now displaying at the top of the blog screen there for people to view. And if we go back to the home page, we can also see that it's on the right-hand side feed here for people to view. Now, to make sure that your blog article doesn't get lost in the website and to make sure that it's clearly linked to your project, we would strongly advise that you create a hyperlink on your project page to that blog post. So you would make a note of the URL for your blog post, click on projects, click on your project page, click Bedford College, for instance, click edit, and then you would type in, for instance, come and see blog article for April, and you would then hyperlink that back to the blog. Now, if you want to find out more on how to do that, then you can visit the how-to video on how to edit your page, and we give you a bit more information on that. So that is how to upload a blog article. If you want to find out more on how to create a news item, how to put a date in the calendar, how to interact with the forum, then please do watch some of our other videos to find out more.